Question 16. Igor Cerc went to a store to have a clock engraved. It was a gift he was taking to a wedding the day he was picking it up. However, when he arrived at the store, he found that the technician had broken the glass of the clock during the engraving process. They offered to replace the entire clock after they got money from their insurance company, but Igor needed the clock now. He realized that it would not serve his goals to get upset. He calmly said that he needed to go to a wedding in 30 minutes. The clock was his wedding gift. He noted that there was similar glass in other clocks in the store. Couldn't the store take apart another clock to fix his? He was calm and polite throughout. "The clerk thanked me for not yelling at him as other customers do," said Igor. "I realized that he would do everything he could for me as long as I remained polite." The clerk took apart another clock and quickly replaced the glass, and Igor went on his way.